Hey guys, we have a southbound UP train. UP train. Going on the 2-track. What's BNSF? I thought I seen BNSF. Holy guacamole. UP 8961. 8335, 4227, 5017, and 5354. That was cool. I thought I'd seen BNSF paint. The train's already come, guys. More empty truck trailers that would take them behind in their mom's train with empty. Alright, that's the end of that train, guys. Let's hurry up, so let's drive in. Peace out.